horns into the air. There is plenty here to share. All are welcome, take a chair and sing a song loud and strong. Men of war and men of care, maidens fierce and maidens fair. Raise your horns into the air and sing a song loud and proud and strong. Skål, skål, sing loud and strong. Skål, skål, a toast and a thundering song. At the end of the eve we'll be welcome and warm by a great roaring fire, our voices a storm. In the warm timber halls we will keep out the cold, as we bellow and belt out these tunes full of soul. Raise your horns into the air, there is plenty here to share. All are welcome, take a chair and sing a song loud and strong. Men of war and men of care, maidens fierce and maidens fair. Raise your horns into the air and sing a song loud and proud and strong. Skål, skål, sing loud and strong.